For Black Friday, we ordered some Stainless Works exhaust headers. Right after I bought these, Modern Muscle Extreme put up a discount for free shipping. So I messaged them and I was like, man, I just bought my stuff 2 hours ago. They said we would call you, and they never called me. But I had responded to their... Yeah, they never called me. So I responded to their comment and said, hey, if you just want to throw in like a hat and some shirts or whatever to cover the free shipping instead of doing a refund. Yeah, hey. I said I would be okay with that. So they never called me.
We'll go get it, London.
So we'll see.
Okay, Mommy.
We'll see if they hook it up.
I like the fires.
You looking for me?
Probably. I mean, I can see you in it if you're squatted down like that, but it's more carpet over here than it is box.
Okay, watch out.
Okay.
Look, it's got staples in it.
Oh.
Yeah,
You
open
could
it.
even move a little bit closer if you wanted to.
That's right.
Oh, look, Daddy's. I fix it.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it away from you because we definitely don't want to cut the London.
Yeah.
No cutting London.
No cutting. Oh, yeah, Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
The car.
Yeah.
I'll go do these. Oh, sorry, Daddy.
You're okay. So here's the short shirt I ordered.
Oh,
It came in a Ziploc bag.
That's what you actually ordered?
Yeah, I ordered the shirt.
Oh, good. I got it.
Of course I ordered a shirt. It's an orange shirt.
How about Pop-Pops? How about Pop-Pops? How about Pop-Pops?
Is that Pop-Pops? Ooh, there is Pop-Pops. Ooh.
That's loud.
Mmm.
That's loud.
Can you still see this stuff?
I'll go see that. I can't.
I can see the. I can kind of see it, but.
It's got stickers that tells you what's left and what's right, so it's kind of cool.
I'm kind of cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Woo, woo, woo.
Here come the reducers so that you can go into the factory.
Yeah. A big car. A big.
What are these O2 extensions?
A heavy. Hey, Daddy.
We got a Stainless Works beer koozie. You want me to put that hat? Are you gonna put that hat on? Let me help you. There you go.
Did she just find that out of there?
Yeah, she took it out of there. Good job. High five. Yeah. Here's a drink holder.
Oh.
Oh, and a necklace from Stainless Works. That's kind of cool. I like that. There you go. Here's another drink holder. We got all kinds of stuff. We got hooked up with.
This is for which one?
The Dodge. We got O2 extensions. All kinds of them.
I want Pop-Pops. I want Pop-Pops. I want Pop-Pops. I want Pop-Pops.
Hold on, baby. All new hardware, and then apparently they just want you to make your own gaskets.
Oh.
There's no actual exhaust gaskets.
Look.
So that's interesting. I've never seen that before.
That car.
These are like the worst hose clamps. So we'll have to go to Summit, or we'll just weld up some of the stuff. Because we have a nice welder. Oh. What did Daddy do with the knife? You want your pop-ups?
Yeah.
I got it, baby.
I can't.
It's okay. Daddy's got it. Here, I gotta cut it. I gotta cut right here.
Oh, Daddy. A cuss.
Cut.
Look. A cup. Not pink cup.
Oh man. They sure do wrap these things.
I think the box.
You're fixing the box?
I think it's brown. I want Papa. Oh, great! Look at this.
Here you go, here's your pop-up. No, give me that. She just grabbed the knife off the ground.
Well,
I hate you.
Yeah, it could hurt you.
You hurt me.
This says stainless power.
What's that?
It's from Stainless Works.
I can't open it.
You can't open it?
Open it.
We don't open that. It's all the hardware for us to install these. Put your hat on. So they gave me a $20 hat to cover the $60 in shipping.
a hat and lanyard and some.
No, that stuff comes with the headers.
Oh, it did.
Yeah. Because it's the brand of the headers, it's not the brand of the company that sold me the parts.
And that's all they gave you was the hat?
Yeah. Yep. But, you know, should have just Murphy's Law, you know?
I got it.
Go get your, we have pop-ups right there.
What? Oh boy. It's cold. 26.
26?
What's it? 26.
Mm.
Oh, look, look.
Yeah.
Look up, Mommy. Look up. That's Daddy's.
Yeah, it is Daddy's.
The TIG welds look really nice on these, so these are going to be awesome.
And what is this?
Exhaust.
How many times are you going to change your exhaust?
Babe, I've never changed these.
I got it.
These are headers.
Perfect. A ball. A ball bit. A
Where'd you put it?